Finnley the Frog and the Big Leap. Once upon a time, in a lily pond full of splashes and giggles, lived a little frog named Finnley. Finnley was the smallest frog in the pond. While the others leapt high and raced across the water, he sat quietly on his leaf. "I'll never jump that far," he whispered. "I'm just too small." The other frogs didn't tease him, but they didn't wait for him either. One day, a dragonfly landed beside him. "Why don't you try?" it asked gently. Finnley looked down. "What if I fall?" The dragonfly smiled. "What if you fly farther than you ever dreamed?" That night, Finnley practiced small hops behind a rock. He slipped, he flopped, he tried again. Each day, his hops got stronger. Finally, on a sunny morning, the frogs lined up for a leap across the big log. Finnley's heart thumped. "Maybe I can't win," he thought, "but I can try." He leapt and soared farther than he ever had. He didn't go the farthest, but the frogs all cheered. "You did it!" they shouted. Finnley smiled wide. "I believed in myself, and that was the biggest leap of all." Dream big and believe in your journey's small steps turn into brave leaps.